Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. You ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with me today?
Always up for a good crypto mystery.
Well, get this. Today we're diving into Hamster Kombat.
Hamster Kombat, you serious?
Totally serious. And trust me, it's just as wild as it sounds. We've got this snippet here talking about some crazy market moves, and well, Hamster Kombat's at the center of it all. It's a cryptocurrency.
With like hamsters fighting each other?
Yeah, you know those little fluffy guys? Apparently they're battling it out in the digital world now.
Cryptocurrency never ceases to amaze me.
Right, so get this. It's up over 110% in just 6 days.
Wow. That's a pretty huge jump, even for crypto.
Right, from like the tiniest starting point too, 0.002263.
I mean, we all know crypto can be volatile. But for a coin like this, that's wild.
Tell me about it. And get this, it's even trending on CoinGecko.
Really?
Yeah,
That's a pretty big deal.
it is. I mean, for anyone who's maybe not super familiar with the crypto world, CoinGecko, it's basically like the place to track all things cryptocurrency. So if something's trending there,
Mm.
people are definitely paying attention.
Absolutely. It's like the pulse of the crypto market.
Exactly. And this Hamster Kombat thing, it shot up almost 88% in a single day on Saturday. Landed itself right in the top 3 trending coins.
Okay, so now I have to ask, what's the deal with the hamsters? Is it all just a meme? Or is there something more to this hamster combat thing?
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out, right? I mean, the source we have here even mentions something called the fully diluted valuation, which is apparently around $475.6 million. What in the world does that even mean?
Okay, so fully diluted valuation, it basically means if every single hamster combat coin that could exist was actually out there being traded, that's what the total value would be. So right now, with the coins actually in circulation, it's worth a lot less. But the potential, if all the coins were out there, almost $500 million.
$500 million for battling hamsters. This is insane.
It is pretty crazy. I mean, you got to wonder, what's driving this? Is it really just the meme factor? Or is there something more going on behind the scenes?
Right, like is there some kind of secret hamster-powered utility we don't know about?
Maybe it wouldn't be the first time a seemingly silly concept turned out to have some real-world application in the crypto space.
So for our listeners out there, what's the takeaway here? What does Hamster Kombat tell us about the crypto world in general?
I think it highlights how unpredictable crypto can be. I mean, anything can happen, and something that seems like a joke today could be worth a fortune tomorrow. It's a good reminder to stay informed, do your research, and maybe, just maybe, not take everything so seriously.
Especially when it comes to battling hamsters.
Exactly. But on a more serious note, I think Hamster Kombat's rise also raises some interesting questions about what drives value in the crypto world. Is it utility, hype, or just plain luck?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? So what do you think? Is Hamster Kombat here to stay? Or is this just a temporary blip on the crypto radar?
Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, this is definitely a story worth following.
It is. Who knows what these little digital hamsters might teach us about the future of finance? Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, everyone. Keep your eyes peeled for those battling hamsters.
You never know what they might do next.